Ryan and Lexi, we are gathered here today in the sight of God, in the presence of friends and loved ones to celebrate one of life's greatest moments. We are here to give recognition to the worthy and beauty of love and to add our best wishes and blessings to the words that will unite Lexi and Ryan in holy matrimony.
Tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel lost.
I just knew you were the one all along. Thank you for letting me be the most weird version of myself that I can be. Thank you for every little thing you have done for me in the past 3 years. Thank you. Thank you for being someone who listens when I rant or comforts me when I've had a bad day. I vow to be the best husband to you and the best daddy to our future kids.
My sweet Ryan, they say that no one is perfect, and I agree to an extent. I myself am far from perfect. I go through phases in this healthy relationship where I don't understand what it is to be a healthy person. Before you, I had never experienced a healthy relationship. I have my troubles, my hardships, my stubbornness. Through all my imperfections, my flaws, I have found my perfection, and it's you. I vow to never give up on you, even on our hardest days ahead, and I vow to give you 100% of myself to our marriage.
Planted the seeds. There is a tree as old as me. Branches were sown by the color of green. The ground had a rose then past its knees. By the cracks of his skin I climbed to the top. I'd climb the tree to see the world. When the guys came around to blow me down.
Do you, Ryan, take Lexi to be your wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do you part?
Yes, I do.
Do you, Lexi, take Ryan to be your husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do you part?
Yes, I do.
With this ring, I marry you.
With this ring, I marry you.
So friends and family, it is my pleasure to announce Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Riley.
Blowing
when Lexi told me that she started to hang out with a guy from work, I was like, Didn't think much of it until she told me that they started to talk more and that she started to like him. And I was like, I need to meet this Ryan guy. Who is this guy? Lexi and Ryan, I am honored to not only be a significant part of your special day, but a significant person in your lives. And I am beyond excited to watch the next chapter of your lives unfold together as husband and wife.
I just hope that you and Lexi have a wonderful marriage and live happily ever after.